Hi everyone, and welcome to this latest video. So in today's video, I want to give you a brief overview of the Restream live streaming tool because they've had some amazing changes inside of their dashboard. And for some, it may be a little bit off-putting when they go into the dashboard and they see that everything has moved around. So I want to just do a quick overview of how you can find everything, where everything is kept, and the best ways that you can access your live streaming tool when you want to use it. So before I jump in, my name's Anita Wong and I'm the owner of the Digital Lab and Tech School. And if you are interested in learning how to use your digital skills to improve your business visibility, then do give me a shout out in the comments below and I'll hook up with you and we can have a one-to-one over coffee. Okay, so let's just jump into my screen share and let's have a little look at the new Restream dashboard. Okay, so I've just signed up into my account and this is what I'm presented with. So this will be a little bit different to what you're used to. This is the actual dashboard that we're all going to be coming into whenever we go into our Restream account. As you can see here on the left, we have some new boxes. So what those boxes are is Stream with Studio, which means that you go direct into the inbuilt studio inside of Restream. And this is where you can just, at a touch of a button, go live to your audience. The next one is Stream with OBS, vMix, etc. So what that means is that you use Restream as a portal. So you can take in Zoom into here, you can connect, say, Ecamm, or you can connect OBS. And what you do is that you start off in those other tools and they are streamlined through a pathway through Restream and then out to your chosen platform. So if you are using a different tool and you want to reach a wider audience, then that's what you would use inside of your Restream. For those of you who want to stream a video file, what this means is that if you've already done a video and you want to live stream the video as if you are live, what you can do is you can upload a pre-recorded video to your Restream account and it will go out as a live stream. The next one is schedule an event. So an event means a live stream. So what happens is that, like me, I do a live stream every Wednesday, and what I would do normally on a Monday or a Tuesday is I would schedule that live stream into my Restream studio, and therefore I'd be able to share that across my social platforms. So once you schedule an event, your live stream will be live inside of, say, Facebook, YouTube and LinkedIn as a scheduled event. So in other words, people can go to that event, click on get reminder, and then join you back on the time and date that you've set to actually go live. And then record only is a super way of you utilizing all of the Restream's live studio capabilities and actually record your videos inside of Restream without actually going live. So maybe you're recording some training videos that you want for your course platform, or you're recording a video that you want to use, say, like as a lead magnet or a giveaway. You can do that right inside of your Restream account. So that's the basic things that you're going to be presented with when you get into Restream, which can be a little bit like, oh, what's happening, because it looks different. Over here on the left, we have this menu. So we can still get to some of these places via the left-hand menu. So when we click on the events tab, it's going to take us to schedule an event. If we go to video storage, it's going to take us to the place where we upload our videos ready for our share a video file. And also we access our recordings here. So when you've gone live inside of Restream, it will always record for you a video file and an audio file so that you can actually download them and repurpose them across other social platforms if you wish. Here you can also have access to analytics, so you can see who joined you live, whether people were commenting when they joined, maybe they dropped off, etc., etc. Here, the scheduler, this is where you can schedule an event in advance. And down here, if you click the three dots, it opens up and pulls it out, and you can actually see your settings, your billing, and you can log out if you wish. Okay, so that's pretty much the basics that you need to know of the live streaming studio. So if we were to go into Stream with Studio, we go ahead and click that box. It's actually going to open up the live studio for you. Now in here is what we can do a few things. So for instance, like the destinations, how do I know where I'm going to be live streaming to, etc., etc. So for that, what we need to do is we come up here to the title where it says testing my new Mac built-in camera. So I'm just, have that title. What you can do is you can click edit and you can actually edit the title if you wish. And then you can also choose where you want the live stream to go to. So I've actually just got it going to my Facebook business page, but you can of course add in LinkedIn if you want to. You can also add in YouTube, which is one that I would definitely recommend that you do. Now, another thing that you can do in here, if you hadn't already, is add a new destination. So if you wanted to add a new destination, or you wanted to add a destination to begin with, you would click add destination. And what that will do is it will open up this big pop-up window, and you'll be able to then choose where you would like to live stream to. So for example, maybe you've got your Facebook business page set up, but you have a Facebook group that you want to live stream to. Therefore, you would come into this one down here where it says groups and public pages. You would click on it, and it will ask you to connect directly to Facebook. You'd connect to Facebook, and then you would go through the process of approving notifications, like basically giving permissions. And once you've done that, you'll be able to choose which Facebook group you want to live stream to, and it will save that for you inside of this area here. So then when you're done, you can come back here and you can find that Facebook group. So there's one there, and you can switch that on as well. You can, in this area, toggle all of your destinations on and all of your destinations off if you wish. If, for instance, you have them all on, you're happy, click close. Up here, you'll see that you can see all of the destinations. And if you edit them, you can actually choose to edit the title like I showed you before. You can also see all of the destinations, and you can actually edit each one individually. So if you wanted your message to go out differently to different platforms, say for example, I was live streaming to LinkedIn, but I wanted the title to be slightly different to, say, like my Facebook title, I would go in here and click edit, and I could actually edit the title and adjust it according to what I wanted it to be. Okay, perfect. Now, another thing just to remind you of in here is that, remember over here on the right, slightly different change is here. You've got your graphics, you've got your captions, and you've got your chat. So there's no settings button over here like there used to be. So just be aware of that. If the settings really is your destinations, that's up here where you click that edit title. Okay. Down here, you've got your brand settings like before. You've got your logo, you've got your overlays, video clips, and background. Another thing to just mention is down here, we have this new plus. This is like bringing in a third-party tool to this live stream inside the studio. So that's probably a little bit more advanced, so I'm not going to go over that today. You have here different configurations for the different pictures that you want to do. If you want to share your screen, you can click share screen, and it will bring up a pop-up, and it will allow you to share your screen as well. Okay, perfect. You can also add participants, and you can get your invite link by clicking the invite button, copy that, and you'll be able to give that to any member that you would like to join you in your live, up to 10 people at a time. Here is your settings option in here, and this is where you set your video. You can also set your video resolution. You can set your input for your audio, so your microphone, and your output as well. And if you want to, you can head into the advanced settings. So those things haven't changed in here. You can mute your microphone like so, and you can also turn off your camera and turn it on, depending on what you want. Don't forget, you've got your private chat down here, which is there ready for you to talk to your participants as well. So that's pretty much all you need to know about the live studio. So let's hop out of here and go back to that dashboard. Another thing that I want to show you is that if you click the record only, you will be taken into the live studio just the same as we were just now, except up here, you won't have any destination showing. All you'll have is the start recording button. And that means that you can use all these great captions and overlays and graphics that we have here, all ready for you to just pop onto your picture, and then you can actually start recording and it will pick up all of those things for you, which is super, super awesome. So that's something that you really want to have a little look at. Okay. And that's pretty much all I want to show you in this video. So if you want to learn more about scheduling an event, then you can catch the next video where I'll go into this in a little bit more depth. And also whether you want to learn how to stream a video file, I'll also go into that in the next video. So don't forget that if you've enjoyed this video, to give me the thumbs up, and do feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about Restream. Okay, so thanks very much for joining me. If you liked this video and you want to learn more about working with me in the future, I do have a membership called the Social Selling Lab. So what I've done is I've popped a link below this video to allow you to book a free 15-minute call with me. We can have a coffee and discuss how some of the courses inside my digital lab can help you to start up leveling your selling online. Like I said before, my name's Anita Wong. If you enjoyed this video, do feel free to share it with your friends and business colleagues, and I will see you in the next video.